From Arkansas's breaking news leader, Fox 16 News at 9 starts now.
For the first time here in Central Arkansas, robots are able to help doctors in common surgeries like knee and hip replacements. The technology is called Stryker's Mako system. Baptist Health Centers in Little Rock and North Little Rock began using them in orthopedic cases today. Doctors tell us the Mako system allows them to use 3D models and create a plan for each individual patient before they head to the operating room.
With traditional methods of knee replacement, we use standardized jigs oftentimes, and the cuts are made on averages. This device allows me to customize the cuts for a knee replacement and do it with extreme precision.
And the technology comes at a good time for doctors. The demand for total hip replacements is expected to go up, get this, 174%. And listen to this, for total knee replacements, a whopping 673%.